Hi dear student, what's up? Wish you good health. Today's new subject is about paths around the sun. Okay? The time that the planet takes to complete an orbit around the sun is planet year. Okay? It's planet year. What's planet year? Is the time that any planet takes to complete one orbit around the sun. It's called planet year. Look at this picture. You can see that orbits of the planets are not circle, but they are elliptical, or we can say oval. It is not circle, it is oval or elliptical. As you can see, planets that are closer to the sun move faster around the sun, such as Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. To complete one orbit around the sun, for the Mercury, it takes only 88 days. It takes 88 days. It means that the planet year of Mercury is only 88 days. But planets that are farther away from the sun move slower and take longer time to complete an orbit around the sun. For example, one planet year of Pluto is equal to 250 Earth years. Okay, 250 Earth years. 3. Our previous lesson was about solar system. You may have wondered about how the scientists got information about solar system. Scientists have been collecting information about solar system by telescope. What's telescope? Telescope is a device that people use to observe distant objects, or we can say to observe objects that are very far away from us. And there are two types of telescope. Optical telescope and the second one, radio telescope. Telescopes that are used to study space objects are powerful and large. Computers keep telescopes at the same place in space to let the lenses and mirrors to collect light to produce lighter and clearer pictures. Stars and other objects also give off radio energy, and radio telescopes collect radio energy from various space objects. Then computers process the data collected by radio telescope to make picture that astronomers can study. All the telescopes that you can see in this two page are located or placed on Earth's surface. Okay. Look at this picture. Here you can see only dark and bright areas on the moon. But in this picture, in this one, you can see more detail because strong telescopes have been used. Here you can see very old telescope. It has only two lenses to magnify distant objects. Okay. Here we have large mirror of Keck telescope. And you can see Keck Observatory here. And here you can see Keck Observatory, which is a place or building that scientists study or collect information about planets, sun, and other distant objects. And the last picture, this one, shows a radio telescope that collects radio wave. Okay. Here you can see space telescope and parts of space telescope. It is called Hubble Space Telescope, or HST, which is an optical telescope, and these are parts of the telescope. This one. HST it has what? It has main mirror. As you can see here, it is the main mirror of the HST, and here it has main cover tube of the telescope. This is the second part of the telescope. And the third one that you can see here, these are solar panels. What's solar panel? Solar panel are used to change sunlight into electricity, or light energy to electricity. Thank you for listening.